What's going on, my beautiful people? Eric Ellis Jr. here with EricEllisJr.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get free money with PayPal in 2018.
Habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
Alright guys, so let's dig right in. Now basically, if you're watching this video, you're most likely looking to generate an extra income, maybe some extra spending money, some extra cash, or you might have some sort of extra time that you don't know what to do with it. Why not earn an extra buck, right? So I'm going to show you 3 websites that literally pay you guys free money, right? Now the first one is called Prize Rebel, right? PrizeRebel.com. And if you go to this website, simply they value your opinion, right? They're going to give you the opportunity to literally win different prizes simply by taking the surveys and giving your opinions on different things, to where they'll literally go ahead and pay you guys free money. Now, depending on the amount of points that you gain, will depend on the actual prizes and gift cards and free PayPal money that they'll actually give to you, right? Now, if you see the type of surveys that they have and that's just not the way you want to go about it, right? There's another website that is pointsprizes.com, right? That's number 2. To where similar method, right? They're literally going to go ahead and pay you for your opinion, right? Me personally, I like giving my opinion for free, right? Let alone earning an extra buck doing it. Why not go to the website if you have free time, right? If you're not doing anything, instead of scrolling on your Instagram or on your YouTube trying to get entertainment, right? I like where your thought is. You're watching this video because you want to earn some extra money. Go to that website, pointsprizes.com. Number 3, right, is called Triba.com, right? And Triba.com is simply the same method. Now, simply, you're going to be able to go there. They value your opinion. There's different surveys that you can take. You might want to test all 3 websites, see which type of surveys you can get done quicker, see which ones you can actually get prizes quicker, because depending on the amount of points that you actually get will depend on the prizes that you can get. So if you do the math, you might be able to get prizes quicker and money quicker, right? Now here's the thing. Me personally, I'm here to give you guys ways that you can make additional money, right? Especially for free. And another way that you can generate income for free, those are 3 simple methods, but my favorite is called affiliate marketing, right? With affiliate marketing, it's simply when you refer products and you generate a commission doing so. So let's just say product A, I don't own it. I don't have to handle distribution. I simply get people to my link that this company gives to me, get it in front of targeted people, they make a purchase, I get paid. Now literally with this method, I've made commissions like this one, right? $1,000 in a day, $2,000 in a day, pushing high ticket commissions. And do people actually invest big money? Yes, they actually do, right? This is the digital age. When people buy education, instead of a college degree, people like to buy digital courses and everything of that nature. So you can try those 3. You can go to that website. If you want a little bit quicker money and a lot faster, and they do actually pay out PayPal as well, right? I'm gonna go ahead and give you access to my free ebook. You can click the link in the description, and on the other side, as a bonus, you're gonna go ahead and get access to a free video that'll literally teach you how I earn thousands of dollars per day. Free money on PayPal. What I mean by free, I don't invest any money to get it, right? I simply drive traffic with things like YouTube and Facebook and Instagram, right, for free, right? I just build a following for free, and then I market with my followings, and I refer products, and I generate big commission checks for free. So those are 4 methods, 3 methods. That's the bonus method for you. Go ahead and grab access to that ebook, link in the description, or you can go to affiliatesplaybook.com. It'll give you access to the best business model. And number 2 is going to go ahead and give you a bonus video that'll teach you how you can generate fat bucks pretty quickly with not too much effort, my friend. Now, make sure you subscribe to join the family so I can help you live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. Drop a comment below if there's any additional methods that you might know that I don't, so that I can help other people. And make sure you punch that damn like button in the face to show your boy some love. Eric Ellis Jr. checking the freak out.